Lugano, Switzerland's Mediterranean secret. Nestled amidst the breathtaking Swiss Alps, Lugano is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This picturesque town boasts stunning scenery, a rich cultural heritage, and a laid-back Mediterranean vibe. Often overlooked for its more famous counterparts, Lugano offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Come explore the magic of this enchanting destination. Lugano's charm lies in its ability to seamlessly blend Swiss efficiency with Italian dolce vita. The town's official language may be Italian, but its heart beats with a distinctly Swiss rhythm. Prepare to be captivated by Lugano's beauty, from the shimmering waters of Lake Lugano to the lush slopes of Monte Brè. The heart of Lugano, Parco Ciani, and Lake Como. Nestled in the picturesque city of Lugano, Parco Ciani is a gem that offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and serene ambiance. No trip to Lugano is complete without a visit to Parco Ciani, a sprawling oasis of tranquility in the heart of the city. This park is not just a place to relax, but a sanctuary where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. This verdant park is a feast for the senses, with colorful flower gardens, towering trees, and the gentle lapping of Lake Lugano against the shore. The vibrant hues of the flowers and the lush greenery create a picturesque setting that is perfect for a leisurely afternoon. Take a leisurely stroll along the promenade, breathe in the fresh air, and soak up the peaceful ambiance. The park's well-maintained paths and scenic views make it an ideal spot for a relaxing walk or a quiet moment of reflection. Just steps away from Parco Ciani lies Lake Lugano, a sparkling jewel that dominates the landscape. The lake's serene waters provide a perfect backdrop for a variety of recreational activities, from picnicking on the shore to engaging in water sports. The lake's deep blue waters are framed by towering mountains, creating a scene of breathtaking beauty. The contrast between the azure lake and the rugged mountains is a sight to behold, offering endless opportunities for photography and nature appreciation. Hop on a ferry and embark on a scenic cruise, stopping at charming villages and secluded coves along the way. The boat ride offers a unique perspective of the lake and its surroundings, allowing you to explore hidden gems and enjoy the tranquility of the water. Ascending to new heights Monte Brè and Monte San Salvatore. These two majestic peaks offer some of the most stunning vistas in the region, making them must-visit destinations for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. For breathtaking panoramic views of Lugano and its surroundings, a trip to the summit of Monte Brè is a must. Standing at 925 meters, Monte Brè is known for its picturesque landscapes and serene atmosphere. This iconic mountain peak can be reached by a scenic funicular ride which offers stunning views as you ascend. The funicular journey itself is an experience, providing a unique perspective of the lush greenery and the sparkling waters of Lake Lugano. Once at the top, you'll be rewarded with unparalleled vistas of Lake Lugano, the city below, and the snow-capped Alps in the distance. The summit is a perfect spot for photography enthusiasts and those looking to soak in the natural beauty. Across the lake lies Monte San Salvatore, another iconic peak that offers equally impressive views. Standing at 912 meters, Monte San Salvatore is often referred to as the Sugarloaf of Switzerland due to its distinctive shape. Reach the summit by funicular and explore the charming Church of San Salvatore, perched atop the mountain. The church, with its historical significance and stunning architecture, adds a touch of cultural richness to your visit. From here you can embark on scenic hiking trails that wind their way down the mountainside, offering breathtaking views at every turn. These trails are perfect for both casual walkers and seasoned hikers, providing a variety of routes to explore the natural beauty of the area. Embracing the water's boat tours and water activities. Lake Lugano is the heart and soul of the city, and no trip would be complete without experiencing its magic from the water. The lake's serene beauty and the surrounding landscapes create a picturesque setting that captivates every visitor. Numerous boat tours are available, ranging from short hops across the lake to full-day excursions that take you to charming villages and hidden coves. These tours offer a unique perspective of the region, allowing you to discover its hidden gems and scenic wonders. Choose a leisurely cruise and soak up the scenery, or opt for a speedboat ride for an adrenaline-pumping adventure. Whether you prefer a calm and relaxing journey or a thrilling ride, there's something for everyone. For those who prefer to be in the water, Lake Lugano offers a plethora of activities. From paddle boats to kayaks, the options are endless, and each activity provides a different way to experience the lake's beauty. Rent a paddleboat or kayak and explore the lake at your own pace, enjoying the freedom to navigate its waters and discover its many hidden spots. Or try your hand at stand-up paddleboarding for a fun and challenging workout. This activity not only offers a great way to stay fit, but also provides a unique vantage point to take in the stunning surroundings. The lake's crystal-clear waters are also perfect for swimming, so don't forget to pack your swimsuit. Whether you're looking to cool off on a hot day or simply enjoy a refreshing dip, the inviting waters of Lake Lugano are ideal for a swim. As the day winds down, the lake transforms into a tranquil haven, with the setting sun casting a golden glow over the water. It's the perfect time to relax and reflect on the day's adventures, making memories that will last a lifetime. A tapestry of cultures, Swiss tradition meets Italian flair. Lugano's unique location on the Swiss-Italian border has resulted in a fascinating blend of cultures. The town's Italian heritage is evident in its language, cuisine, and architecture, while its Swiss roots shine through in its efficiency, cleanliness, and love of nature. This unique cultural fusion creates a captivating atmosphere that is both charming and sophisticated. Explore the cobblestone streets of the old town where charming boutiques rub shoulders with traditional Swiss chocolate shops. Indulge in a scoop of gelato while admiring the Italianate architecture, then savor a cup of Swiss coffee in a cozy cafe. Lugano offers the best of both worlds, seamlessly blending Italian passion with Swiss precision. A feast for the senses, gastronomic delights of Lugano. Lugano's culinary scene is a testament to its unique cultural blend, offering a tantalizing fusion of Italian and Swiss flavors. Indulge in hearty alpine dishes like fondue and raclette, or savor the fresh flavors of Mediterranean cuisine with pasta, pizza, and seafood. Be sure to sample local specialties like polenta, risotto, and locally caught lake fish. For a truly authentic experience, dine al fresco at one of the many restaurants lining the shores of Lake Lugano. Savor your meal while enjoying breathtaking views of the water and the surrounding mountains. And don't forget to indulge in a glass of local wine, as the Ticino region is renowned for its vineyards. Shopping and strolling from luxury boutiques to local markets. Lugano's shopping scene caters to all tastes and budgets, from luxury boutiques to local markets. Stroll down Via Nassa, the town's upscale shopping street, where you'll find designer brands, jewelry stores, and art galleries. For a more local experience, head to the Piazza della Riforma, where a bustling market takes place every Wednesday and Saturday. Browse the stalls overflowing with fresh produce, local cheeses, and handcrafted souvenirs. This is the perfect place to pick up unique gifts and experience the authentic flavors of Lugano. And don't forget to haggle for the best prices, it's all part of the fun. Practical tips for the savvy traveler. Getting around and finding accommodation. Lugano is easily accessible by plane, train, or car. The closest airport is Lugano Airport, which offers flights from major European cities. The town is also well connected by train, with regular services from Zurich, Milan, and other Swiss cities. If you're driving, be aware that parking can be limited and expensive, especially in the city center. Lugano offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget, from luxury hotels to cozy guest houses. For a truly unforgettable experience, consider staying in a hotel overlooking Lake Lugano. If you're on a tight budget, hostels and guest houses offer affordable alternatives. When to discover Lugano? Embracing the seasons. Lugano enjoys a mild Mediterranean-like climate, making it a year-round destination. However, the best time to visit is during the shoulder seasons, spring and fall, when the weather is pleasant, the crowds are smaller, and the prices are more affordable. Summer is peak season in Lugano, with warm weather and plenty of sunshine. However, this is also the busiest and most expensive time to visit. If you don't mind the crowds and higher prices, summer is a great time to enjoy the lake and outdoor activities. Lugano in 2024, embracing sustainable travel trends. In 2024, sustainable travel is more important than ever, and Lugano is leading the way in eco-friendly tourism. The town has implemented numerous initiatives to reduce its environmental impact, including promoting public transportation, supporting local businesses, and preserving its natural beauty. Visitors can embrace sustainable travel by choosing eco-friendly accommodation options, using public transportation, and supporting local businesses. Rent a bike and explore the town on two wheels, or pack a reusable water bottle and reduce your plastic consumption. By making conscious choices, you can minimize your impact and contribute to Lugano's sustainable tourism efforts. Conclusion: your Lugano adventure awaits. Lugano is a destination that has it all: stunning scenery, rich culture, delicious cuisine, and a relaxed Mediterranean vibe. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, Lugano has something to offer every traveler. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and discover the magic of Switzerland's hidden gem.